matte finish now. So what I want to do next, I've gone through my grades of sandpaper. I just want to finish off with some 1200 grit, 2000 grit sandpaper, just to remove the scratch marks left over from the 1200. So I'll just be doing the same as before, applying a little bit of moisture to the paper. And keep wiping it down so that moisture doesn't build up too much. I just want to take a little bit more off at the top here. Okay, so if I look at the headstock now, you can see it's completely matte finish now. So next thing I want to do, just remove the scratch marks left from the 2000 grit paper, is to give it a sand with some fine grade steel wool, which I seem to have misplaced. Okay, so this is just some fine grade steel wool. You can generally pick these up at your local hardware store. This is super fine grade. Okay, so you can see that's a really matte sort of finish now. There's not much reflection. So next job, taking just a basic car polish, so a cutting compound. I'm going to apply some of that to the headstock. Really rub it in, really work it into the headstock itself. Now this is the same method you might use if you had a solid colour body, so it'd just be on a great larger scale, but basically the same process. Then taking a clean rag, I'm just going to wipe that off. As you can see, that's starting to increase the shine. And what normally happens is it takes about 3 applications to get this to a glossy look. You may prefer a semi-gloss like that. What I'm going to do is probably do a further 3 to 4 applications, and I'll bring the video back and show you the end result. Okay, so this is after about 3 applications of polish. As you can see, we've got that nice mirror-like reflective look. So I'll probably do 1 to 2 more applications of that, but that's basically the process to follow. Just remember when you're working with headstocks, just to keep the moisture down. You don't want the moisture to get down inside those tuning peak holes.